Hey everyone, hello and welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we will talk about two very popular productivity tools, Notion and the Airtable, and I am going to compare between them. If you want to work better with your team, organize your project and manage data, this video is for you. Don't worry, if these tools sound new, I will explain everything in just simple word. But before we go deeper, check the description below this video for official link and the latest price with the latest information about Notion and Airtable. Now let's start with Notion first. Notion is like a big workspace where you can take notes, manage projects, build wikis and keep database all in one place. It is very flexible. You can create pages inside page or build custom layout that suit your needs. For example, you can make a page for your team, you can add tasks, deadlines and notes, and you can use it to track project. Notion is also a simple database system that works like tables where you can link information between pages. Now Notion is good if you want everything in just one place, your notes, to-do list, calendar, documents, everything. And it also has the good AI tools that can help you to write content faster and summarize long text. But sometimes if your database grows very big or complex, Notion can become slower or harder to manage. Now let's talk about Airtable. Airtable started as a special kind of spreadsheet that acts like a database. It looks a bit like Excel but much more powerful because you can link different tables together and you can build workflow. Now Airtable is excellent for managing structured data like contacts, inventory, project task and many more. It also has many views to see your data like calendars, Kanban project or Kanban board and Gantt chart, so which help you to understand your project better. Now Airtable also has the strong automation feature. You can set rules that send emails or notifications automatically when something changes in your database. Airtable AI help you to generate formulas like creating data modules or model, and you can get suggestions to improve your workflow. Now let's talk about the collaboration. Both Notion and Airtable let many people work together in real time and add comments and share updates easily. Notion is a kind of better option if your team needs a flexible workspace for all kind of content, while Airtable shines when managing complex data with many relationships. Now let's talk about the pricing. In price wise, both have the free plan to start, which are great for small teams. Notion's paid plans start at around $10 per user per month, and it gives you more storage and advanced block. Other side, Airtable also has the free plan, but Airtable's paid plan start at around $20 per user per month, but offer more advanced database and automation feature. So to summarize, if you want all-in-one workspace for notes, project and the project management and light database, then Notion is a strong choice. But if your work require managing complex data, workflows and automation, then Airtable might be better. So that was the video for today. I hope now you understand which one is better for you. And if you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.